came from afar like the river, and the town it shone like fool's gold. But there's some here steal from your pocket, and there's some try to steal from your soul. If your luck holds out, you can get filthy rich. If it leaves you, you get filthy poor. But either way, you get no respect, and every face is like a closed door. And flow your tide, oh river, you can never wash this town clean. I stand on your bank and I wish I could be 100 miles upstream. The young men look hungry like hounds in a pack, and the young girls they dress like whores. They work, take their pleasure on Saturday nights, and they don't think to ask for more. And flow your tide, oh river, you can never wash this town clean. I stand on your bank and I wish I could be 100 miles upstream. And there's no one here knows an honest face, for the memory has faded away. They take their dreams from bright magazines, and their gospels are printed each day. And come the season, like their fathers they dance and they sing. But come the last line of old Lang Syne, is ever a hollow ring. And flow your tide, oh river, you can never wash this town. I stand on